Ricky, where are you, mate?
In the bloody shade, mate. Bloody hell.
What are you doing in there?
Dying. Mate, honest to God, it is hot here. Right. So, get brain in order. You're in the sun, mate, you're going to burn.
I know.
It's alright, you're not pasty white like me.
It's the hazard of the game, I'm prepared to.
So, we're at Castle Combe. My mate, Dan Ludlow, who runs a ex-synchro Honda Civic, goes, oh, can you have a look at my lap timer? Because the MoTec's got predictive lap time. So like on a Formula 1 car where you see it then qualify and they've got Delta on their dash where it tells them whether they're up or down, we can do the same thing. And he hasn't been able to get it right. So I'm like, oh mate, it's cool, I'll come down. And you can make a change, send him out, do a couple of laps and so forth. And then he's like, oh, it's a test day, do you want to go out? And I'm like, okay then. So my priorities have changed. I am helping Dan, but I've already taken Kate out in this. So we've come down to drive my car at Castle Combe. And I am not kidding you, it is hot.
So on my dash it was saying 30.
Hot.
And it's easily that and more.
Hot. And then they want you to wear long sleeves. So I'm in a hoodie. I'm quite, being quite kind on the car, so the aircon's off. I had the gearbox at 115 degrees. I had the engine oil temp at 120. And the rear tyres at 80. Wow. 80 degrees. So yeah, I've come back in. Honest to God, the coolest place is behind the engine radiator, which is where I sat. There's no shade. So yeah. So what is it about when we go out for the day, we get sunburned?
Well, at least it's not raining, mate. It's when you were at Bedford.
It rained, so it's you. You're the problem. Anytime you come, it's God punishing you for your bald head. That's what that is, isn't it? So yeah. So we will. I've taken Kate out. She did really well. I thought, I'm gonna make her scream because I can't do it. And she didn't make a peep. I don't know whether that was fear, but she seemed to handle it pretty well. So yeah, it's quite cool.
Good stuff. So we'll get a bit of footage of you going out in a bit.
Yeah, we got GoPros in, and I think Dan's gone out to test whether the lap timer works. So I'll make sure he's happy, and then we'll go out and have a bit of a play.
Cool.
I'm going back in me boot.
Bye bye. in, Ricky. Right now.
It feels like loose on the back there.
Yeah, it feels okay to me, but I can feel it does feel a bit soft.
I hate this corner.
That's it. Yeah.
I'm not used to it. We have a bus stop.
Red van, yeah.
Don't carry the brakes over the crest, so you lift off the brakes and you come back on. Like they swoop in.
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are back after a few laps with a very hot and sweaty Ricky.
Yeah, so taking Kate out, taking Davey out. I've done a little session on my own. I'm about to take Dan out, who owns a Civic that we're down here working on. So we're going to have a little play and then go to McDonald's again. Ice cold Coke.
Good stuff. And
Yeah.
as ever,
It's warm. My tyres are 85 degrees.
wow,
So yeah, it'd be good. It'd be good.
good stuff. Well, have a good one, mate. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe, click, give us abuse. You know, all the good stuff.
All right, buddy.